Right everybody, so probably can't see shit in this video because it's so dark, but here we have my Ninja 250 and you can probably see some ice on the ground there. This thing hasn't been started in over a month. My cover has a big tear on the side of it. We basically had ice, snow, hail, rain, crazy winds, you name it, we've had it. I don't think you'll see anything on this video, but however, I'm going to start this bike and see does it start. What do we reckon? A month, sub-zero temperatures, not in a heated garage. Kill switch was engaged. I think that's a pretty good test. No choke obviously because mine's a fuel injected version. It's currently 2 degrees Celsius. Lots of steam coming out the pipe as you'd expect. We must be near proper idle by now. About right. Okay, so I guess a month of sub-zero temperatures, crazy winds, hail, all that kind of stuff doesn't really cause a fuel injected 2009 Ninja 250 to stop. Everything looks in good nick, so I'm going to shut it down, put the cover back on. I actually need a new cover because the wind tore a big hole in the side of it, so I'll have to get myself one of those over the coming days. And apparently in 2 days the last of this ice that's on the ground will finally have disappeared. I don't know if you can see it down this car park. There's plenty of it still. Actually, I'll show you how much ice there is by turning on the lights in my car via the power of remote control. There we go. That's my car. And that's the kind of slushy ice we have.